Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahmoud Akbar Afridi, and today in this video I will be telling you about taxes, that how do companies run the manage their taxes. In every country, in every part of the world, there is tax on every specific thing. Like might be a concession in one thing. For example, if we are selling something, so we have to pay tax for that, which is known as sales tax. And if we are owning something, so for example we are owning a property, so there will be a property tax. There will be for example, we are owning a car, so we have to give tax of that, tax for many things. First of all, let me tell you that what's the benefit of taxes for the country. The benefit of taxes for the country is that it helps them grow. Like it is used when they will get tax, so they will pay the employees, government employees. They have to pay them. They have to clear the duties. The country mainly earn from taxes. Even though I think so it is not legal in Islam to take any tax from a Muslim person, but still the Muslim states do that. Okay, so this is for tax. The reason for taxes is this, so that the country could do better, it can have more and more money. So now, for example, let me tell you about taxes in cars. It's in Okay, so some countries might have little tax, less amount of tax, while the other might have a greater amount of tax. And first of all, let me I just remember one thing, that the in tax we don't have like, for example, I'm selling a thing for 100 rupees and I have to give tax of 5 rupees, so the total price will be 105 rupees. It will be never like this. And for example, I'm selling something of 200 rupees, and then I have to pay 5 again I have to pay 5 rupees tax. So it is never like this. It is upon percentage. The government gives to specific percentage, and then they say that you have to apply this much amount of tax on every. So the government will give you a specific percent of tax. For example, I think in Pakistan the sales tax as this at this moment it is 18%. So after 18%, if I am selling a biscuit for 100 rupees, so then after that I have to calculate another 18%. I have to add 18% of 100%, and then I have to add that amount. For example, the amount comes 18 rupees, so the biscuit's price will get from 100 to 118 rupees because of 18 rupees as tax. So this is how tax works. Then we have in every company there is a tax department as well. Some manage it under finance department, but in larger companies it is better to have a tax department, a separate tax department, because they will always have the record of this. They will maintain the record and they will pay it on time. They will not never due it. So first of all, and even though I have to give you another example of, for example, in Pakistan the electric cars have less duty tax than the petroleum cars, like a G wagon, G63, which is being run on petrol. Its price after tax is 23 crores in Pakistan, like 230 million Pakistani rupees. But if we will talk about electric G wagon in Pakistan, so its price is comparatively very low. It is 9 crores, which is 90 million PKR. So it is way more less than this. Because the government is applying less tax on electric cars. Even though government can have initiative that we are applying little tax on electric cars, so that the people come and buy electric cars and they can go to a greener environment in the world. Okay, so this is like how tax are being included. Then what these tax department do in the company, that they manages all tax, they pay them on time. It is their duty to look after. They have to keep the report, even though after every budget session in every country, if after every budget session there's they see that if the country has improved, so the tax might the tax might be the same, it might not increase. But if the country is not doing good, so they will increase taxes on cars, taxes on any product like biscuits, chips, noodles, anything that they have. So even though, then the companies have also to increase their taxes and their prices. So this is all for today about taxes. Thank you for listening.